Hi, today in front of me NAVITEL T787 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application. And now just tap on the right upper corner. So here you will see the Gmail account. Just to log out from this account from the Gmail app, you should first log out from Google account on your device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device. Tap to this account and click remove account. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account. Are you sure? Tap to OK. Confirm just the action by use one from your unlock methods. Now in Google account settings, we just successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's why let's go back to the application and we can see that we also successfully log out from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.